In front of me is SONY Xperia 10 Mark 6, and today I would like to show you how you can add a password to Google Passwords Manager. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down to access passwords and accounts. Then click on this gear next to Google under Autofill Service. And click on this switcher next to Use Autofill with Google if it's not already on. Following that, you need to choose Google Password Manager. Tap on Passwords at the bottom left corner, and to add a new one, select Add Password. Then input all of those informations. At the top, you can select any website or click on Select App and tap on the chosen one. Then enter your username, email or phone number, password, and even take some helpful notes. Then hit Save at the top right corner. As you can see, after that, my password was successfully added. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!